Brilliant! We did it! The price reached the local resistance level and pushed back and started its downward movement. Well, exciting! Have you seen this trade? Every day, millions of people go to office jobs to earn several hundreds per month. They betray their dreams, barely make ends meet, and don't believe things could be any different. But what if I told you there is an alternative? In this video, I will tell you about real ways to make money online that will lead you to financial independence and the ability to earn thousands of dollars sitting in a cozy cafe by the sea or anywhere in the world. Hi everyone! You are on the Options Trading with Agatha channel. If you are ready to become one of them and turn your life upside down, then watch this video carefully until the end and you will learn about the easiest way to gain financial freedom. There are already more than 1.1 billion people in the world working online. I want to tell you about my most favorite way of earning money online. I've been trading for 7 years and trading binary options for more than 3 years. My win rate is 84.6%. I have gone from a beginner to a stable high income. I have collected all my knowledge and years of experience in my free Telegram channel. But that's not all. All my subscribers of my Telegram channel can participate in trading sessions on my signals, repeat my actions and earn money, even being a complete beginner in trading from the first day. All this is completely free. I created this free product where people can change their lives. This is something unreal. More than 2,000 people trade with me every day, and the average earnings of my subscribers is $500 a day. I don't understand why you are not with us yet. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the description below this video. Subscribe! And right now, I'm ready to share with you a cool strategy that will help you make a steady income online. So let's go to the Quotex platform and get ready for trading. Here I will show you how to properly analyze the charts to open only those trades that will bring us profit. First, let's add a few currency pairs that we will trade today. Let's choose 3 with high profit percentages: USA dollar and Brazilian real, Australian dollar and Swiss franc and Japanese yen. Great! Now let's add the MACD and RSI indicators. These indicators will allow us to more accurately determine the direction in which to open our trades. All done! Now let's start trading. Let's start our trades with $50. Let's choose the second currency pair. Let's turn to our RSI indicator. As we see, it crossed the level 30 and was in the oversold zone for a long time. And now we see the indicator line crossing the level 30 from bottom to top. This is a great signal to open a call option. Let's open a call option for $50. Look, it's really simple! As you can see, everything went exactly according to the script, and we made our first profit. Well, the beginning has been made. Let's continue. Let's pay attention to the third currency pair and take a look at the MACD indicator. Here we can see how the signal line crossed the MACD line from bottom to top. This indicates the beginning of a downtrend. This is a signal to open a put option. I'm opening a put option for $93. Yes, this is another win! As you can see, after opening the option, the upward price movement started and we profited again. Let's move on. Let's move on to the first currency pair. The price isn't flat, but judging by the MACD indicator, the downtrend reveals that the signal line is located above the MACD line. Therefore, let's risk to open a put option for $174. Excellent! I was right, and the risk was justified. We already have $329 in the bank. Shall we continue? Wow, it's an amazing result, friends. I was just able to increase my capital. So trading is one of the best ways to make money. Trading has an important advantage for me, the ability to make money anywhere. Trading requires some training, but it doesn't depend on finding clients or working for a boss. Of course, I invite you to my Telegram channel. More than 20,000 people have already gained financial independence and confidence in their future, earning with me online. There, I give my signals, but which you can repeat my actions and earn even without special skills and knowledge. This is a unique community of successful and ambitious people who once decided to change their lives for the better. Join right now, it's absolutely free. Let's move on to the second currency pair and look at the chart. Here we can see how the chart has reached the resistance level, and now we see a small correction with the price falling. So we should be prepared for a put option. Let's open a trade for $329. Well, exciting! Have you seen this trade? What a perfect entry point! And the balance is already $615. That's how we make money. Well, let's keep going. Let's return to the third currency pair. The price reached the local resistance level and pushed back and started its downward movement. The RSI indicator reached the level of 70, which is an overbought area. And this is a signal to sell. Therefore, we will open a put option for $615. Yep, here is what I was saying. A faithful reading of the charts brings us $1,150. So far, all of our predictions have come true. It's awesome! Trading allows you to start earning from day one without having to build a complex infrastructure. You can manage your investments yourself and control your income. This is phenomenal. Let's see if I can keep my winning streak going. Next, we will use the first currency pair. Here we can see how the price is slowly coming out of the flat. The MACD indicator is signaling us about the beginning of the downward movement. Therefore, we can safely open a put option for $1,000. We are opening the trade. It's beautiful! Look at that! My trade made me $1,890. It feels so good to make a profit! Let's move on to the third currency pair. Here we see a clear downward movement of the chart. The MACD indicator confirms this information. Therefore, we can safely open the put option and expect a profit. Let's open a trade for $1,000. Yes, this is another successful trade. We get $1,870 plus to our balance. Let's move on. Let's use the second currency pair. We see that we have started an upward movement. There are no reasons to change the direction of the trade. Therefore, we boldly open the $1,000 call option. Great work, Agatha! Look how well our trade worked out! The main thing is to look for the right entry points. Sometimes you need to watch the situation from the outside and wait for the right signal. Let's change the currency pair to USD BRL. We see a downward on the chart. The signal line is above the MACD line, which is another indication that the downtrend is quite strong. Therefore, in such situation, we can safely open a put option for $1,000. And that was a smart move. To be honest, I wasn't really worried here. In fact, it was one of the safest trades. Actually, this trade was just a little bit risky. Let's use the third trading pair. Here we observe the breakdown of the downtrend to the uptrend. The MACD indicator line crosses the signal line from bottom to top. This tells us about the strengthening of the uptrend. Therefore, we can open a call option. This is the optimal entry point for the trade. Let's go in for $1,000. And we did it again! Great trade! We found the perfect entry point and made a well-deserved profit of $1,870. Let's change the pair to AUD-CHF and take a look at the chart. Here we can see how the chart reached its local resistance level and changed its direction. And we should not go against the system. We are going to open a put option for $1,000. Brilliant! Friends, we did it! Our last trade bring us another $870, and now we have a balance of $6,430. This is an amazing result. I was able to turn $50 into $6,430 in less than 30 minutes live in front of your eyes using a simple strategy. Friends, this is a fantastic result, but it's possible in binary options. I often hear people talk about investing, and that's a good thing because investing is a terrific way to grow your savings and build long-term financial reserves. But let's not forget about the vast amount of information you need to process. You need to be aware of the world's political, social, and economic environment in order to make informed decisions. In addition, an investment portfolio requires constant review and optimization, which can be time-consuming. Trading is a dynamic process that offers the opportunity to react to market changes instantly. Trading promises quick results without the need for long-term waiting. It's more stable and faster income than investing and requires less time to process information. You can learn and grow and still start earning from day one. It's mind-blowing. The most important thing is that the amount of income is determined only by you. There are no limits. Today, there are dozens of ways to earn online, but for me, trading is the #1 way to earn money online. It's easy, fast, and reliable, as easy as pie. I want to start making money online today, so don't forget about my Telegram channel. There I not only hold trading sessions, which, by the way, each of you can participate in for free, but also explain step by step how to trade on binary options, how to use the trading platform, and if you are a beginner, I even show you what buttons to press on the platform. I also give support to all participants every day. That is, you can expect that in a couple of days you will understand trading and can already get your first money, even with very little knowledge at the start. Yes, for some people it may seem that trading strategies is difficult, but in fact everything is much easier. I will personally help you with it. Imagine you will just need to enter trades following me and you can constantly get the same results as me. I'm not sorry to share my experience with people. I will gladly guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you to reach a new financial level of life. There are feedbacks from my subscribers who have already felt the benefits of trading. Some of them have achieved results in a few weeks that they could not even dream of before. I'm sure that you will be able to do the same. I hope my tips and strategies have helped you see how easy and exciting it is to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get even more experience and cool tips on your way to financial freedom. Bye!